Hola chicas, we're just going to have a look at two things. It's going to be quite short for you, so we're going to have a look at two things before tomorrow. Just a reminder tomorrow that we're going to have a look at doing a live class. So I'll send out that link. We're going to have a live class tomorrow. So I'm going to correct just this. I actually have a tackle this comprehension on página 81. This one here about the cómo se define la amistad en la era de las redes sociales. So we're going to have a correction of that. Okay, I'm going to go through that with you quickly tomorrow, and I'm going to go through the questions as well, the uno, dos, tres. What I also want you to have a look at antes de mañana, before tomorrow, is I want you to have a look at this lesson here on página 87, page 87. Here we have cuatro jóvenes hablan sobre el pasado, escucha y contesta en inglés. So four young people are talking about the past. Listen and answer the questions in English, okay? So I just want you to have a try at this here, okay? Just have a look at, I've sent out Paula, Javi, Adriana, and Paco. I think I have Adriana and Paco marked as speakers 3 and 4 on the MP3 file, so that's these two people here. Just listen to it. Try the questions, okay? They're bastante bien. The first one, Paula here, she's chatting about playing a football match and she hurt herself, okay? Have a listen to it, see how you get on with it, okay? We'll touch base with it on tomorrow. We'll go through this tomorrow as well. Tomorrow as well, we're going to have a look at doing, if you look on the next page here on 86, we're just going to have a look at doing some of these on 84, we're going to have a look at some of doing these verbos irregulares, some of these irregular verbs here, okay? Like fui, ser, venir, andar, estar, tener, decir, ver, that. We're going to have a look at those ones. These are probably the most important, and these are the ones that you need to be thinking about. You know, that you'll be using the most whenever you practice these here. So we're going to have a talk through some of these ones, lo más importante, and we'll have a look at those as well. Mañana a las 12, tomorrow at 12. Okay, so just be paying attention, looking at those. The other thing I want you to have a look at quickly is kind of linking on this pasado here is this little red box here on página 89, page 89. Okay, I want you to just have a look at una conversación sobre el pasado, a conversation about the past. Okay, what I want you to just try here is just want you to translate this top box. I think there's about 10 puntos here, 10 points here. I just want you to translate them de español a inglés. Okay, I want you to translate from Spanish to English. Okay, just read through them and just translate them to español inglés. And we'll be looking at a lot of these verbs here. This is just kind of getting you ready for mañana. We have a few of the verbs here, that the few irregulares like juegue. We have fui, tuvo, the verb tener. So you just have a look at these, and it should get you into the mind of thinking about a few of these irregular verbs and how and when we use them. Okay. The plan for the rest of the week then is we're going to probably go live today and tomorrow. I was planning to be off on Friday, so there won't be any class on Friday because I have something on Friday. We'll be going live tomorrow and Thursday, and probably live then on the Monday again as well. All right. Have a run through those couple comprehensions. Just to recap again, I want you to translate those couple sentences on página 89. So your red box here, we'll quickly fight through them tomorrow. Okay, so it's just, what did you do at the weekend? ¿Qué hiciste el fin de semana pasado? This is a question that you really get often in the oral. ¿Qué hiciste el fin de semana pasado? Or ¿qué hiciste ayer? What did you do last year? Or ¿qué hiciste el verano pasado? What did you do last summer? So this is una pregunta muy importante, sobre todo en el examen oral, especially in the oral exam, okay? And it's especially for your written piece, and sobre todo, especially con el diario, with your diary entry, you have to be able to get these past tenses done, okay? So it's super importante, okay? So translate those, and on página 87, page 87, have a look at these listings, okay? You got Paula, Javi, Adriana, and Paco. Is that okay? I'll correct those two tomorrow, and we'll have a look at the comprehension as well, the last, okay? So we'll touch base mañana, and if you have any preguntas, mándame un mensaje, okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.